Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, O'Fallon, local and long-distance movers near me. We offer the best skilled long-distance moving services to help make your move a lot simpler. We can help you move to the next state over or all the way across the nation. Relocating isn't easy, however, using the best moving services can definitely make it so much simpler. If you're searching for a standard or a full-service move, our company offers all the options you require, including packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move, and upfront pricing. Choosing to work with a local Illinois moving company might not seem like it's worth the expense. A local moving company offers many advantages, which can make it well worth the cost. You gain the benefit of conserving time on your local move, which might be well worth it. It will also keep you from having to deal with heavy lifting. When you work with our movers, you get pros rate to make your local move incredibly simple. With a local moving company such as 3 Movers, you get a very efficient move. It doesn't matter how large your move is, we can get done quick. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our O'Fallon moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.